In 2025, the real estate market presents both significant opportunities and challenges, particularly for those looking to buy rental properties. Investors, whether seasoned professionals or first-time buyers, must take into account various factors such as local economies, housing demand, rental yield, and overall market stability. With interest rates still fluctuating, inflation in check, and more people choosing to rent rather than buy homes, some U.S. cities are poised to offer exceptional returns on rental investments. In this speech, I will take you through the top 5 U.S. cities to buy rental property. The first city on our list is Austin, Texas. Austin has been on the radar of investors for the past several years, and its momentum shows no signs of slowing down. With a rapidly growing population, a booming tech industry, and a vibrant cultural scene, Austin has become one of the most attractive cities in the country for both residents and investors. The city's population is increasing at an impressive rate, and as more people move to Austin for work, education, and lifestyle, the demand for rental properties continues to rise. Austin's economy is anchored by its tech sector, which includes major players like Apple, Google, and Tesla. This industry's growth has contributed significantly to the city's housing demand. The presence of top universities like the University of Texas adds another layer of demand, particularly for student housing. Moreover, Austin is known for its high quality of life, outdoor activities, and live music culture, making it a highly desirable destination for renters, particularly millennials and Gen Z. For real estate investors, Austin offers a competitive rental yield, especially in the suburban areas surrounding the city. While property prices may be high in downtown Austin, suburban neighborhoods such as Fuquerville, Round Rock, and Cedar Park offer more affordable investment opportunities. These areas still benefit from the city's economic growth, with renters drawn to their proximity to Austin's job centers and cultural attractions. Despite rising home prices, rental yields remain favorable, and the city's appreciation rate has been historically strong. For investors looking to capitalize on both short-term rental income and long-term property value growth, Austin remains a top choice. Next on our list is Raleigh, North Carolina. While Raleigh may not be as widely recognized as some other cities, it has been gaining traction in recent years as a prime location for real estate investment. Raleigh is part of the Research Triangle, a region known for its technology, research, and healthcare sectors, including institutions like Duke University, North Carolina State University, and the University of North Carolina. The area has experienced steady population growth, which has led to an increasing demand for rental properties. One of Raleigh's key advantages is its affordability compared to other tech hubs. While cities like San Francisco, New York, and Boston have seen sky-high property prices and rents, Raleigh offers a much more affordable alternative, especially for middle-class renters. The city also benefits from a low unemployment rate, a growing job market, and a high quality of life, which has attracted professionals from around the country looking to relocate to a more affordable and attractive place to live. For rental property investors, Raleigh offers a promising rental yield. The demand for single-family rentals has been strong, especially in neighborhoods like North Hills, downtown Raleigh, and Cary. These areas provide easy access to major employers, excellent schools, and amenities, making them ideal locations for renters. Moreover, the overall housing market in Raleigh has been relatively stable, with home prices appreciating at a moderate rate, ensuring long-term value for investors. For those looking for a balance between strong rental demand and manageable property prices, Raleigh presents an ideal opportunity. Another city that stands out in 2025 is Boise, Idaho. Boise has been experiencing rapid growth in both its population and economy over the past decade, and this trend is expected to continue. The city offers a combination of affordability, a strong job market, and an excellent quality of life that appeals to renters. Over the last several years, many Californians have moved to Boise seeking lower housing costs, and this influx of new residents has driven up rental demand. The local economy is diverse, with sectors such as technology, manufacturing, and healthcare contributing to Boise's stability. Major employers like Micron Technology, HP, and St. Luke's Health System provide steady job opportunities, attracting professionals to the area. Boise is also a popular destination for those seeking outdoor recreation, with its close proximity to mountains, rivers, and national parks, making it an attractive place to live for nature lovers. For real estate investors, Boise offers one of the most attractive rental yields in the country. particularly for single-family homes and multifamily properties. While home prices have risen in recent years, they are still relatively affordable compared to larger West Coast cities, and rental demand remains strong across the metro area. Neighborhoods like Meridian, Nampa, and Eagle are seeing significant development and offer great opportunities for investors. As more people continue to migrate to Boise in search of affordable housing, the city is likely to remain a strong market for rental properties. The fourth city that deserves attention in 2025 is Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix has long been a popular destination for people seeking affordable housing in a growing metropolitan area, and its appeal has only strengthened in recent years. With its hot climate, low cost of living, and proximity to major tech hubs in California, Phoenix has seen an influx of new residents and businesses driving up demand for rental properties. Phoenix's economy is diverse, with significant contributions from industries such as technology, manufacturing, healthcare, and real estate. The city is also home to a large retiree population, which has added to the demand for rental homes and apartments. In addition, Phoenix benefits from a strong real estate market, with home prices appreciating steadily over the past decade. For rental property investors, Phoenix presents a compelling opportunity due to its strong rental demand and favorable rental yields. Areas such as Scottsdale, Tempe, and Gilbert have seen robust rental markets driven by the large number of young professionals, retirees, and families moving to the area. The city's affordable property prices, when compared to other major metropolitan areas like Los Angeles and San Francisco, offer investors an opportunity for solid returns. Additionally, the city's growing tech industry and large-scale infrastructure projects are expected to drive continued demand for housing, making Phoenix an attractive option for long-term real estate investors. Finally, let's take a look at Tampa, Florida. Tampa has been steadily gaining attention in recent years as a top city for rental property investment, and it is likely to continue its upward trajectory. As a major city in Florida, Tampa benefits from its coastal location, warm climate, and status as a popular tourist destination. However, it's also becoming increasingly attractive to those seeking more affordable housing and a vibrant job market. Tampa's economy is anchored by industries such as healthcare, finance, and tourism, with large employers like the University of South Florida, Tampa General Hospital, and J.P. Morgan Chase providing stable job opportunities. The city also boasts a strong rental market, with demand coming from both locals and newcomers drawn to the area's amenities and lifestyle. For real estate investors, Tampa offers competitive rental yields, particularly in neighborhoods like Hyde Park, Seminole Heights, and South Tampa. The city's rental market is diverse, with demand for both single-family homes and multifamily properties. Furthermore, Tampa has a growing number of young professionals and retirees looking for convenient, affordable rental options close to the downtown area. The city's long-term prospects are strong, with continued economic growth and a high quality of life, making it an attractive place to invest in rental properties. As we look ahead to 2025, these five cities, Austin, Raleigh, Boise, Phoenix, and Tampa, stand out as the top choices for rental property investment. Each of these cities offers a combination of economic stability, population growth, and strong rental demand that make them ideal locations for investors seeking solid returns. While challenges such as rising interest rates and housing affordability remain, these cities have the infrastructure, job markets, and lifestyle appeal that will continue to draw renters and fuel demand for rental properties. Investors looking to capitalize on the rental market in 2025 will need to carefully evaluate local conditions, market trends, and the overall economic climate. However, with the right research and strategy, investing in rental properties in these cities offers the potential for significant returns and long-term growth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer, the cities we've discussed today represent some of the best opportunities in the U.S. rental market for the coming year. Thank you. Austin, Texas continues to be one of the most attractive cities for rental property investment in 2025. The city has experienced an impressive population surge over the past decade, and this trend is expected to accelerate in the coming years. Austin's rapid population growth is driven largely by its thriving tech industry, which has made the city a major hub for both established companies and startups. Companies like Apple, Tesla, and Google have established significant presences in the area, bringing with them a steady stream of tech professionals and workers. As more people move to Austin for job opportunities, the demand for housing, particularly rental properties, has increased dramatically. One of the key factors contributing to Austin's rental property potential is the city's diverse economy. While technology is a major driver, Austin is also home to thriving sectors in education, healthcare, and entertainment. The University of Texas, one of the largest universities in the country, attracts a large student population that creates consistent demand for off-campus housing. Additionally, Austin's cultural scene, music festivals like South by Southwest, and outdoor lifestyle options make it an appealing location for younger renters, particularly millennials and Gen Z. While downtown Austin has become increasingly expensive, suburban neighborhoods surrounding the city offer more affordable investment opportunities with solid rental yields. Areas like Pflugerville, Cedar Park, and Round Rock continue to see growth in both population and rental demand, as many renters are priced out of the city center, but still want proximity to Austin's job market and amenities. For real estate investors looking for a combination of long-term value appreciation and strong rental income, Austin's suburban areas present a compelling option. Raleigh, North Carolina presents an enticing opportunity for rental property investors in 2025 with a unique combination of affordability, steady economic growth, and an increasingly strong rental market. One of the primary factors driving Raleigh's appeal is its position within the Research Triangle, a dynamic region that includes Raleigh, Durham, and Chapel Hill. This area is renowned for its world-class educational institutions, including Duke University, the University of North Carolina, and North Carolina State University. These universities not only attract thousands of students every year, but also foster research and innovation that fuel a growing tech sector. The presence of such top-tier universities leads to a constant influx of students, faculty, and staff, creating a consistent demand for rental housing, especially in neighborhoods close to these campuses. In addition to the educational institutions, Raleigh's economy is bolstered by a thriving tech and healthcare sector. Companies in fields such as software development, biotechnology, and pharmaceuticals have set up shop in the area, providing well-paying jobs and attracting a highly skilled workforce. Notable employers like IBM, Cisco, and Biogen contribute to the city's economic stability and job growth, making it a desirable location for professionals. This influx of high-earning individuals and families further supports the demand for quality rental properties, both in the city and its surrounding suburbs. Neighborhoods such as North Hills and Cary are particularly attractive to renters due to their proximity to major employers, top-rated schools, and excellent public transportation options. These well-connected suburbs are seeing an increase in new developments, which helps meet the growing demand for rental units. For investors, Raleigh offers a balance of affordability and solid rental yields, making it a compelling market for both short-term returns and long-term appreciation. Phoenix, Arizona stands out as one of the most promising markets for rental property investments in 2025, with a combination of low living costs, a growing economy, and an increasing population that makes it an ideal location for both new and seasoned investors. One of the key drivers of Phoenix's real estate market is its affordability compared to other major metropolitan areas like Los Angeles or San Francisco. Despite the growth in the region, home prices and rents remain relatively lower, offering a significant opportunity for investors to acquire properties at a reasonable cost while still achieving solid rental yields. Phoenix's economy is diverse and steadily growing, providing a strong foundation for long-term investment success. The city has become a hub for several industries, including technology, manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. Major employers such as Intel, Honeywell, and American Express, along with a burgeoning tech scene, have contributed to a steady influx of well-paid professionals into the area. This job growth translates into increased demand for rental properties, particularly in neighborhoods like Scottsdale, Tempe, and Gilbert, which are known for their proximity to tech campuses, excellent schools, and vibrant amenities. The city's appeal is also boosted by its strategic location in the southwestern U.S., making it an attractive destination for people looking to relocate from more expensive regions. Phoenix's robust infrastructure, including ongoing developments in transportation, utilities, and public services, enhances its accessibility and livability. These improvements ensure that Phoenix remains a desirable place to live, work, and rent. For investors, Phoenix offers solid long-term returns due to its growing population, strong job market, and infrastructure expansion. As more people continue to move to Phoenix in search of affordability and career opportunities, the demand for rental housing is expected to remain high, making it a top choice for real estate investment.